Next to interpellate is our Senior Vice Chairperson, Stella Kimbo.
Salamat, Madam Chair. Siguro wag na natin i-congratulate si Sec Sonny mismo, kundi i-congratulate natin ang buong bansa dahil nagkaroon tayo ng bagong pag-asa dito sa pagharap sa ating napakalaking education crisis. Klaro naman po, malaki yung problemang kinakaharap natin. Medyo nangungulela tayo pagdating sa buong mundo, klaro naman po sa PISA rankings. Mahirap po yun sa isang sitwasyon na sinasabi nila the world is flat. Ang mga apo natin, mga anak natin, they have to compete globally. So, may mga kabataan ngayon, ang trabaho nila virtual assistant. Ibig sabihin, they apply online for a job, ang mga kalaban nila buong mundo. So, kung nangungulela tayo, hirap sila mag-compete. So, yun ang kinakaharap ng ating kalihim buong kagawaran. So, kailangan natin tulungan ang DepEd. So, having said that, big crisis, we cannot waste funds, we cannot waste time. I think those are the two things. So, nakakalungkot na pagdating sa COA report, at pinapakinggan ko ang ibang mga kongs, yun ang isa sa pinaka malaking finding ng COA report in 2023, low utilization. Ibig sabihin, mabagal ang paggastos at may natitirang pondo. So wasted funds, wasted time. Of course, pag i-compare po natin, halimbawa sa sinasaad ng liquidation reports ng confidential funds na for 3 quarters na 100% na ginastos for the 3 quarters, totaling 112.5 million. Ginastos po ito for the first quarter, Feb 20 to March 30, for the second quarter, April 20 to June 29, and for the third quarter, July 12 to September 29, for a total of 190 days. And if we count the number of days in 3 quarters, that's 273 days. So 190 over 273, that's 69%. So if you divide 100% utilized funds by 69% in terms of days, ang score po nun in terms of efficiency is 143%. So ang efficiency pagdating sa spending ng confidential funds ay 143%. Congratulations po. Pero pagdating naman po sa regular funds, napakabagal po. So, nakasaad po sa COA Report 2023, may natira pa pong 37.7 billion at ang sinabi po ay may delayed, partial at non-implementation of various programs. And with that, sana Comsec, pwede po bang ilagay ang slide 11 ni Sec Sonny because I want to revisit that slide. Kasi nabanggit nga kanina ni Kong Jinky pagdating sa DCP, yung ating ICT packages, binalikan niya, sinabi niya na ayon sa COA report ay merong 0 accomplishment rate pero sinagot ng ating USEC. Gusto ko sanang balikan. Yung slide 11 of the presentation, the budget presentation. Yung improving the learning environment and learning resources. Gusto ko lang itong balikan kasi ito po yung listahan ng accomplishments na present ng DepEd. Nang naka-indicate is 44,638 ICT packages for delivery. So, kanina po, dinictate ng ating USEC kung ilan na po ang delivered. Tinignan naman po natin, pero hindi pa rin siya nagtatahali to 44,000. Pasensya na po ha. For 2023, the total is 11,013. And then for 2024, it's 5,567. So hindi talaga siya nagtatahali to 44,638. So kasi yun ang tanong ko eh. Kung sinabi ng COA report, as of end 2023, 0 delivered. Parang ang galing naman na umabot tayo ng 44,000 today. Of course, kung yan ay na-achieve ninyo, please explain because we will all clap for you. But based on your report, ang layo po nung 5,567 plus 11,013. So are you trying to say that this 44,638, how far are you counting? Is this including your 2015
It includes
procurement?
2022, ma'am. 2022,
But your
23, and
2022
24.
is only 10,695. So it still doesn't add up to 44,000.
Maybe
So you must be including those earlier procurements kasi ito po ba yung nire-refer natin na nabubulok doon sa warehouses. So please give us an explanation.
Maybe we can ask the same resource person with your permission, Madam Chair.
Yes, please,
this
Sec.
is
Alam natin na
Director
hindi
Dagan.
pa mainit ang inyong upuan. So, yung mga datihan na po, please.
You are recognized, Director Pitacan.
Blessed day, Your Honor. Ma'am, yung 44,638 packages, this is a combination of the 2023 package, that's 26,692, plus the 24 package of 17,943.
Madam Chair, I would like to manifest that yung binabanggit po ni Yusek ay procured, which is different from delivered. Malaki pong pagkakaiba yun. It's an ocean of a difference. So yun nga po ang sinasabi ng COA. Yung nag-procure po kayo pero hindi delivered. Ang delivery ay equals accomplishment. At yun po yung punto ng COA. So sana po, ito po ang ni-report ninyo, 44,638 as of procured for delivery.
Yes.
Okay. So, to be delivered. So, pasensya na po, pero yun ang nga ang point ng COA. Delivery ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Di ba po? And at the same time, may problema po yung natitenga po siya sa warehousing, di ba? Sorry. So, pag na-deliver siya sa warehouse, problema pa yung from the warehouse to the school.
Your Honor, for the fund year starting 2022, 2023, 2024, yung 2023 natin, diretso na po ito sa schools. So wala na pong warehousing sa 2023 fund at 2024 fund. Delivered to schools na po ito. Diretso na po. Yung pong nasa warehouse, yun po yung 2020, 2021.
Okay, so how soon will the rest be delivered?
As per the contract is 180 days hanggang December po of this year, madideliver na natin tong lahat ng 44,638.
How many days?
Hanggang 180 days po ang contract nito, ang contract duration.
Until December
6 months.
2024, ma'am.
180 divided by 6 months
Yes, ma'am.
from procurement to delivery?
Yes po.
I think that is unacceptable.
Ma'am, kasi ito, kung napapansin nyo, yan pong 44,638, this equates to 504,000 laptops. Kalahating milyong laptops po ang dinideliver natin ngayon, yung na-procured for delivery.
Yes, but will you agree? Okay, wag mo muna akong sabihan ng 504,000. Tanungin lang kita, yung common sensical, kung ikaw mismo bibili ka, tatawag ka ngayon sa Shopee, pabili po ako ng computer, sinabihan ka ng Shopee, okay, sige po, pero i-deliver ko sa'yo 6 months from now. Tatanggapin mo yon?
Hindi,
Ikaw,
ma'am.
as an individual?
No po, ma'am.
Oh, okay. In the same vein, hindi rin po papayag ang mga estudyanteng Pilipino. And we all speak on behalf of them. So what's the solution, sir?
Ma'am, ano kasi ito, ino-order kasi ito ng mga suppliers natin sa abroad kasi wala naman pong nagba-burn in ng core sa Philippines. So usually, in-order to sa abroad by bulk din. Pagdating dito, i-assemble pa. So talaga pong merong time allotment para po ma-burn in yung mga technologies
So,
na.
how many suppliers are you talking about?
Ma'am, ang suppliers natin ngayon, mga 7 to 8 suppliers. We will give you the breakdown of...
Is it a matter of increasing the number of suppliers?
Ma'am, open bidding po ito. So kung sino po yung manalo, sa kanila po natin ina-award yung contract.
Director, I'm just telling you, and I think all members will agree with me, that your timetable is completely unacceptable. Kasi ano po ang, hindi po ba, ano po ba ang useful life ng isang computer?
Ang according po sa COA, 5 years po yung obsolescency.
Ayun na nga po, kung yung 6 months po is just time for delivery, tapos ilan buwan pa ang procurement, another 6 months.
Hindi ma'am, yung 6 months na iyon, yun na yung contract award to delivery. Kumbaga yun yung time na i-deliver nila dapat.
Correct, but that from the time that you put up the bid, etc., it's probably going to take 1 year, right?
Yung ngayon po, mabilis na po tayo. Nagsimula po tayo ng bidding ng January.
Okay, my point being, what is the solution, sir?
We need to do early procurement, Madam Chair. I think itong ginawa nila na pagpapasok na tsaka nag-procure, medyo dapat...
Baka, sir, hindi kaya
agahan.
pwedeng i-decentralize na lang to how
That
many
is also something.
how many regional offices do you have, in which case that will
17.
Increase the number of
17, ma'am.
suppliers?
17, including
And
the
you
newly
would have
created
one back
Negros.
per regional office, right? That would mean at least 17 suppliers. And per RDO, per RO, you can have more than one supplier. Is that correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
If you have two, then that will increase to at least 34. Is that correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
So from 8, you can go to 34 at least.
Tama po kayo, ma'am. Yes.
So, sir,
We will conduct the feasibility study. As sabi nga po ni SEC, we are now also in the process for decentralization of the purchase of the DepEd computerization program.